What is up, traders? How are you today? This is Stan Gluzman with 7 Points Capital, bringing to you today's trader takeaways. So first of all, let's take a look at SPYs. Today it is just low volume. I mean, it looks pretty hideous. Low volume, sideways, just a range. Yesterday passed the new tax bill, and the market has not really reacted too well. I mean, it didn't really go anywhere. It sold off a little bit, but we haven't breached any significant levels, so we're just kind of going sideways. I'm guessing the tax cuts already priced in, so nothing really significant. The volume today was really low, like the lowest uh, probably past couple of weeks. So two things worked today. A is scalping ranges. And I'll show you a stock that I was scalping personally today, pretty much all day. And B, stock specific or sector specific. And in this case, it is blockchain sector. Everything that has to do with blockchain, all these companies, they all have significantly higher volume than usual. They're all rallying, they're all dumping, a lot of great setups. So first of all, let's take a look at NETE. This is uh, this is the blockchain one. I'm not really sure what the news is. They acquired some blockchain company, I believe, but I mean it gapped from what, $5 all the way up to about $20. Opens up at about $20 or so. So the first trade was this new setup that I'm trying out that worked today pretty well. Is a um, washout long on a stock like this that's like up crazy amounts, pretty low float. So buy the panic, sell into panic, right? So buy when everybody's scared and sell when everybody is greedy. So right out of the gate, it dumped a little bit pre-market, and right out of the gate I got long somewhere in here, and then I sold it right into this push. I think I sold it somewhere in the middle of the candle, but nonetheless, I think I made like a point a share or so. Not too big of a position, and it halted. And I said to myself, if it unholds and dumps, I'm gonna rebuy it again and do the same thing again. And just like I said, it dumped, uh, opened up actually at about 18. I think I bought 1850s and I sold actually really early, like 2050s or so. So point and a half or 2 points a share, really good trade. Obviously, it's squeezed much higher, but with these kind of setups, you never really know. So I'm gonna buy the washout. I'm gonna sell into the push. This setup, I have to give credit to the guy on YouTube. His name is Madaz Trader. I've been watching his videos a lot, and I really recommend his stuff. He knows what he's talking about. He's swing size, and this is the setup that I've seen him trade multiple times, and it worked for me really well. I'm going to implement this setup a lot more in the future. The next setup was, let's see, OTIV. This one worked really well yesterday and today. However, today it really screwed me a little bit. I'll talk about it later. So yesterday I was getting short, and I mean I pretty much held it all day, and it was one of the bigger trades of the month. I didn't hold it all the way down, but I covered somewhere in here, and then today, same thing. It gapped up, presented itself on the short side, and um, I believe I scaled in here, and then I started shorting pops. I mean, the tape was just really heavy. The tape looked the same as yesterday. It was reserving offers, and it was just they were smashing bids, and every consolidation was a sell-off. So pretty much held it all day until this move right here. If we look at a 30-minute chart or so, there's this level that it broke. Um, and here I thought this is it. Like all the levels have been broken. The next level is at about like 110 or so, 108, or maybe a dollar. I thought there's gonna sell off another 30, 40 cents, so I really sized in. Unfortunately, it just did that. It just broke it, and then it consolidated it, and then absorbed an enormous amount of shares at 62. and then just went straight up, and then I couldn't even get out. I think I got out like 70 actually. Yeah, so whatever I made on it, I gave back probably like half of the money on this pushback, because I thought this is it, A plus setup, size back in, and unfortunately it didn't really work. Although still green on the stock, so I can't really complain. Um, DPW, this has been really amazing probably this whole month. It's been setting up every single day. So today, where's the open? Um, Today it opened up and was just really weak. Was trading below VWAP all morning, and I started shorting every pop. I wasn't even covering into these washouts because we didn't really have much borrow. So I shorted whatever I could, and I was just holding it until this big dump. And I covered into this big washout. Really nice trade. And then after that, once it reclaimed this support here, we can draw a line. Once it reclaims and then consolidates, just like OTIV, same exact thing. It dumped, reclaimed, and then it squeezes. Same thing right here. Where is it? I just lost it. Dumps, reclaims, and started buying, I think 85s. Sold it into the first push, left it alone, and then unfortunately I missed this whole run up, but I think I caught this one here, and then I might have been short over here and then long over here. Really honest, when DPW has this crazy volume, the quote is so thick, and it's really honest. Like, you can sell these reserve orders. You can see these reserve orders, how they're just reserving all the bids, and then the offers get wiped out, and you can just buy them and you ride the wave. It's pretty straightforward. You can't really lose too much money on the stock. It's not that much. It's not that risky. And my range trading stock today was MDR. This one was SSR restricted, and it was just down, up, down, up, down, up. So the way I was trading it was I was trading it together with CBI. They trade together past couple days, and so I think one of them bought the other one. I think CBI bought MDR, so they're kind of trading together. So the trick here is that CBI is $15 per share, while MDR is $6 per share. So for MDR to move 1 penny, CBI rather has to move a couple of cents. So MDR was naturally following CBI. So I was trading MDR. I would buy MDR when CBI would start to go up, for example, a couple of cents. So CBI would start making a move, and I would start accumulating MDR, and then MDR would naturally move after it. So pretty straightforward. Not again, not that much risk in this one. So pretty decent day, although range bound on SPYs, low volume. But again, if you just concentrate on the setups, on the right setups, there's absolutely insane opportunities in these markets, especially with this whole Bitcoin craze. So these are my takeaways for today. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like and smash the like button, and subscribe to the channel for more great content, and I will see you guys in the next one.